Hi guys, so today I would like to talk to you about saving money when shopping on Amazon. I know that many of you might not be fans of Amazon, but let's be honest, in cities like London, way too many people use it. It's not gonna go anywhere. They pay or don't pay taxes. It doesn't really matter. I'm not the hugest fan of Amazon, but I'm not gonna lie. I have Amazon Prime and I'm using it, and it really helps me in many situations. And one of those amazing perks I get through Amazon Prime is when using the subscription model. So basically, each month or every now and then, because you can change the frequency, you get your items with like 10 or 15% discount. So I usually aim for 15% discount. In order to do that, I acquire 5 items on monthly or bi-monthly or whatever the frequency is I need model, and I actually reshuffle the products, skip, change, cancel even. So basically I quickly check the prices around. If I see that the price on the subscription with the 15% discount, thanks to going for 5 items to buy, is better, I am buying the item. Sometimes I buy the same items every month because they simply have such a great price, better than anywhere else, that I just stock up those items. Since pandemic, I started using Amazon more to buy some cupboard items, like long-lasting cupboard items. And I must say it is a game changer. And now in the current crisis, with the rising costs of living, I think it's a really clever idea of making the Amazon Prime subscription working harder for you, of course, if you can afford the Amazon Prime subscription. So let's just see the example of items I got last month, and let's see actually how much they cost in the mainstream supermarkets. I hope you will enjoy that and you will find it useful. Here we are on my Amazon. As you go on Amazon, you will see on the navbar subscribe and save. When you click on that, you will see my latest subscriptions. I received that on 25th, and I had a week until the 19th to edit it, so a week basically ahead of the delivery. Anyway, in deliveries, you can see the next delivery schedule for subsequent months, and in subscriptions, you will see the exact subscription items you want to buy, the frequency. You can edit, change, postpone, cancel, what have you. So let's just analyze how much I saved on the latest. So I usually go for 5 items. Here, actually, I have even more, because then it unlocks savings of 15%. So from 5 items onwards, you get 15% savings. So here I went for the chocolate I like. It's 153. There was a blog post in which I described basically which sites to use to compare the prices of items in supermarkets. And I mentioned some of those websites I will be using now. So let's go to my supermarket compare. And as you've seen, I preloaded that with the chocolate I get from Amazon on a subscription, just to quickly show you that in mainstream supermarkets, the price ranges between 190 and 235. So it is a win. It is a small saving. Okay, it's not going to break the bank, but every little help, as they say in Tesco. Then when we go for the other product, it's coconut milk, 400 milliliters. What I like about this product, it is organic and it is BPA free can, so quality product, doesn't have any nasty ingredients. So I don't mind paying a bit more for it. It's 11.03, and I bought actually 2 packs, each 4 items, so 11.03 divided by 8 cans, it's 1.37. If you Google this item, it holds some organic coconut milk. I believe the prices were higher when I checked. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Anyway, the way I Googled now is showing the exact product description from Amazon. So if we get rid of some of it, we will be presented with other sites selling this product. as you can see here, 8.45. This is for one pack, yeah, 8.45. This is one can, 2.39. So as you can see, one can bought the way I bought, 1.37. It is a bargain again. Bear in mind, here we had an example of £8. This is for one pack. In my example, one pack is 11.03 divided by 2. So one pack is still 5.51. I would say it's a quality product and quality saving. The next is yerba mate. I'm trying to resign from drinking coffee. Again, the price is 3.98 for 60 gram. If you look around, you will find it more expensive. The next is cashew nuts. Here we have, in this subscription, we have 750 grams, and basically it means it's 5.77 per kilo. Again, if you look for cashew nuts elsewhere, let's put on Google cashew nuts 1 kilogram, 671, 730. This is almonds. This is 5.99. So this is probably the cheapest here in a quick search. But mine on Amazon is still slightly cheaper. So, and more importantly, actually, I've tried these nuts and the quality is good. They are not old. They are quality. Next off is Plenish organic unsweetened coconut milk, and I love this product. Um, as I'm trying to get off milk, and this one has got only three ingredients. So again, in my opinion, it's quality. It's just water, coconut, and salt. 13.60 for 8 liters, which gives us a price 170 for a liter. Okay, I checked this one, and this one probably is not such a win because I saw it. Where was it now? Here, Plenish. I saw it actually at 175 in Sainsbury. Again, for me, it is still a win because I don't go to Sainsbury because I don't have anyone close to me, and I'm not going for one item to the shop somewhere farther. So, or some other items for that matter. Of course, I wouldn't buy just one thing. So yeah, so for me, it's still win because it's not only 40p cheaper for the whole pack, but also it's gonna get to my house straight away. And the last but not least, a really good deal. It's Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil. Here it's 7.65. I did see that same bottle of oil at Asda yesterday for £10. So yeah, it's over £2 saving. Not bad. I looked for Filippo Berio on trolley.co.uk. I cannot see 1 liter in this exact package. The 1 liter was from the same brand, but selling the Rustico oil for 8.99. It's not one-to-one comparison. I saw this one for £11 actually, and at Asda yesterday. So yeah, even the prices between mainstream supermarkets vary. Um, but again, Amazon is not bad with 7.65 for the one I saw for 10 at Asda. So yeah, so the subscriptions are saving you, you know, 40p here, 50 there, £2 on olive oil. I'd say overall it's a decent saving, and more importantly in terms of time, because if those items prices don't increase, um, you are actually getting quality products for less, and you're gonna get them delivered to your home. As I said, you can go to the subscription tab and swap and change, and yeah, basically do pretty much anything you like, because they also change the prices of those items, so it's worth keeping eye on it. Again, it's like a few minutes per month for me, easy and with gains, so I would say it's worth it.